How's it going, guys? Right here. We got a happy ending here today, y'all. We finally got the DTF running again. So I know the video I posted a few days ago, I didn't quite know what the problem was, but I had ordered a new stator like a little while ago, but I wasn't sure if that was the problem. But one day, the other night, I just decided to throw it in, and sure enough, it fires up now. I did have a small oil leak. I just fixed that last night, and so far, everything seems to be in good condition. I'm gonna do a small ride again, like I did last time, just a little loop, but I'm gonna quickly show you all the stuff I've put on the bike since then. Since the first video of getting it running. So I changed out the starter buttons. When I first got the bike from Golf Spartan, it was two separate buttons before, but the starter button didn't work. So I had switched it to this Temu all-in-one switch, which I thought that was initially the problem when it wasn't starting, but turns out it was the stator. So I had bought these new buttons and put those in. We have a headlight now. I ended up just wiring the high beam and low beam to the same switch because I'd rather be visible. I don't know. Even though we don't quite have it street legal just yet, we got to change these tires out. I got to put more lights on it. I need to switch this lever out because this lever is a little broken still. It works for now, but it's a little loose, as you can see. We have a bicycle GPS speedometer for now. I'm eventually thinking when I put the Pro Taper bars on, I'll upgrade to probably a proper tachometer, speedometer display thing. We'll see. This was in the last video, but we got these cheap hand guards. And we got Pro Taper grips. For now, I do plan to get the Pro Taper bars. And I got this phone mount, but I probably won't be using it much since I'm not going to be commuting on it for now. It's not quite legal yet, but we're getting there. But yeah, let's go on a quick ride. I'm excited. It should just start right up. I already rode it earlier today. Alrighty, get this gas on. Alrighty. I'm really relieved that we got this thing running again because, man, this was a whole month of stress for me. Like, almost immediately. Alrighty, everyone. Let's let this car pass and then we'll just do a little loop. Alright. Let's go. Ooh, I've definitely been practicing my rev matching. Woo! We're going to be doing the same loop I did in the last video just because I'm not quite confident enough taking it further out just for legal reasons. But I don't know. I'm not that crazy. I don't know. Comparing this to my scooter, it feels like I'm going so much faster because really it can go faster. It can go faster than the scooter, but when I'm going at regular legal speeds, it feels like I'm going way faster than I actually am, just from the vibrations and all that. See, now I'm like legal speed right now, but it feels like I'm going way faster. Woo! These corners feel so much different on the dirt bike. yeah, I'm really excited that we got this thing running again, guys. It's been a long month fighting it. But I'm just glad it runs for now. I'm honestly scared to tamper with it now. Alrighty. Well, I'm probably going to cut it off here in a sec. But thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely going to be making more videos on this soon. Ooh, that was a rough shift there. Ugh. There we go. Alrighty, everyone. Feel free to drop a subscribe and a like so we can grow, and I will see you guys next time. Alright, take it easy, everybody.